Okay, this is how it looked like after the crash. Okay, due to the failure, the canopy was detached while flight. There, it's worth 10,000 US dollar. It's about $500,000. Okay, down to drain, but I guess the turbine, it's reusable using a jet cut turbine. Grabe. Look at the sayang, oh. Oh, they're very realistic, oh, Will. Oh. Okay. Look like we can reuse the trucks. So. There's something. How do you feel?
So I think
anyway, we'll just wait for his second project.
Second project.
Yeah.
Pero may F16 pa ako. May F16 pa ako.
Yeah. Pero yun ang the most beautiful, ano no?
Yeah, yung show jet ko.
Show jet yan, no?
I think lesson for the day.
Yeah. What's the cost?
Nag-crack yung glass. Siguro dahil mainit ngayon, di ba? Ngayon, okay lang namang basag yung glass, di ba, lumipad. The problem is, nung natanggal yung cockpit, naging tail
heavy. Yung nag-stall.
So, ang lesson, dapat, kahit tanggal yung canopy, yung mga cockpit mo,
secured. Okay, guys, so for all jet flyer, you learn a lesson, ha? Very expensive lesson.
So, gaya nito, hindi siya hindi siya nasira kasi lumipad siya.
Yeah.
Dapat, kahit basag yung glass, nakatornilyo siya.
Ang nipis pa ng glass.
Yeah.
Nipis. Ay.
Dahil sa struck sa sa canopy lang, ha? Ang nipis. Okay. That's about it. That's all, folks. Next for our next project.
One more.
One more. At least we have one more.
Goodbye.